Welcome back to FAQ Wednesdays. Today we're going to talk about how thick our products go down. We're going to be talking about floors and counters. So our floor kits go down to 45 square foot a gallon, which is super thick. It's not a paint, it's an actual thick coating. And that would mean a 3-gallon kit will cover 135 square feet. You can break it down from there. A 1.5 gallon kit will do 67.5 square feet, and you can keep breaking it down from there. Just remember 45 square foot per gallon. That's what our recommended thickness is for floors. So our countertop kits are a little different. They have a high heat additive to them, and they also go down thicker. Whereas our floor kits were for a 1.5 gallon, 67.5 square feet. Our counter kits are 50 square feet per 1.5 gallon. So a lot thicker. It helps the edges look a lot better. If you guys want more info on our counter kits or floor kits, you can check out our brochure on our website, leggari.com. Thanks for watching the FAQ. If you guys have any questions or ideas, more FAQs you want to see, comment below or email us at leggari@gmail.com. Thanks.